My name is Tadie Upshaw, and today we are going to be talking about how to use a glossary. This is going to be a 4-step process. Step 1 is to choose an appropriate book. This is a book that I created using Story Jumper. It is appropriate for first grade and what we are learning about in class. Step 2. Begin reading your book until you come across a bolded word. On this page, we came across the bolded word factory. This will now lead us into step 3. Step 3 is to locate the glossary. The glossary can be located in the back of the book. The bolded words in the glossary will always be in alphabetical order. Step 4 is to find your word in the glossary and then read the definition that is located next to it. The definition of factory is a building where goods are made by machines. Now you can go back to reading your book knowing what the word factory means. Awesome! Now we have gone through each of the 4 steps on how to properly use a dictionary. I want you to remember that you can use these 4 steps in any nonfiction text that you read with a glossary. Now let's review and summarize each of the 4 steps that we went through. Step 1 is to choose an appropriate book. You must remember to choose a book that is appropriate for the grade level you are teaching and also appropriate for the topic that you are researching. Step 2. You can begin reading your book until you come across a bolded word. If you do not know the meaning of the bolded word, then you can continue on to step 3. Step 3 is to locate the glossary. If you do not know the meaning of the bolded word, then you can locate the glossary. Remember, the glossary can always be found in the back of the book. It's usually going to be on the last few pages. Step 4 is to find your word in the glossary and then read the definition. Remember that the words in the glossary are always going to be in alphabetical order. The definition of the word is the sentence that comes after the bolded word. I hope that you found this short instructional video helpful. Thank you for watching.